My name is Mikey Witham, and I'll be discussing red pandas and the effects of habitat destruction on the species as a whole. Red pandas, scientifically known as Alurus fulgens, are an interesting little species found throughout Asia. Most commonly, you find these creatures in Myanmar, India, Bhutan, Nepal, and China. This green area is where red pandas are most populated across Asia. Population of red pandas has been decreasing fairly quickly over the last few decades. Red pandas fall into their own category family called Aluridae. After previously being categorized into the raccoon family and then the bear family, red pandas were labeled as their own family on the taxonomy scale. And though these creatures are harmless to us humans, standing anywhere from 22 to 24.6 inches and roughly 8 to 17 pounds, they are facing grave danger from humans. Habitat destruction is causing major problems to red panda population across Asia. The red panda population has decreased by roughly 40% over the past 2 decades, and as of now will continue to decrease. And at this point in time, there are only roughly 10,000 red pandas left in the world. They are labeled as endangered by scientists and national wildlife services. Habitat destruction is the leading cause in the decrease in population for these red pandas in the wild. The increase in human population brings new threats to species more and more. More humans means more livestock, more agriculture, and a higher demand for the wood in their habitat. When livestock such as goats, horses, cows, and others are brought towards the forest that the red pandas make home, it creates competition for food sources. The red panda feeds off bamboo leaves, which are becoming more scarce due to the livestock degrading their habitats. Along with the livestock issue, agriculture plays a big role in the destruction of their habitats. By clearing trees and other plants in order to produce products of choice, it takes away vital resources for the red panda and their habitats. Another major factor in the destruction of their habitat is logging. Logging is the process of simply cutting down trees in order to produce firewood and other wood products. Logging is one of the biggest factors of habitat destruction, has been causing problems for species throughout the years. By practicing this, it greatly reduces the amount of living space red pandas have on an everyday basis, leaving them searching for new places to call home instead of their usual habitat. This leads to further complications in a red panda's life. In order to try and preserve these species, some countries have created protected areas in forests for them around Asia. Protected areas are seen on this graph, varied by country. These efforts have their advantages, but also still find people disobey the standards for them. Specific organizations such as the Red Panda Network and SAFE, Saving Animals from Extinction, have come together to work on restoring habitats and caring for these red pandas in the wild and in person. With these organizations, we hope to be able to make a positive impact on the struggling red panda population. Overall, the red panda population is struggling greatly and may lead to their extinction in the coming decades. Since the human population doesn't show any signs of slowing down at this point, I'm still hopeful more efforts will be made and the red panda species will be able to thrive once again across the globe.